Do you think your operation is safe from cyber attacks? Or are you wondering whether your facility needs better protection? Welcome to this presentation. My name is Michael Metzler, and it's my pleasure to present to you why cybersecurity is an essential factor for your material handling processes. The combination of real and digital worlds enables operators of distribution centers and warehouses to optimally improve the material handling processes. As such, they're able to cope with the many dynamically changing challenges such as shorter storage times, smaller order quantities, and faster delivery speeds. In doing so, they're becoming increasingly networked. That is, the OT, or operational technology, is connected to office IT systems and the cloud. This brings enormous advantages when it comes to aspects such as optimization of the flow of goods and consequently the reduction of goods throughput times. However, the strong connection between OT and IT also means that both domains are facing the same cyber threats. In addition, the rapid growth of the industrial Internet of Things has further increased the attack surface. As the value of data to enterprises increases, so do the desires of cybercriminals. Increasing networking is also making matters easier and easier for them. As a result, the number of cyber attacks continues to rise. Not only can they be costly, they can also endanger the existence of companies and, in the case of critical facilities, even human lives. However, simply making data inaccessible isn't a solution. Data must flow horizontally and vertically within the company and often beyond company boundaries to be used optimally in the global supply chain. Add to this the growing popularity and necessity of remote access to machinery and equipment, and not just in time of a global pandemic. The central task of cybersecurity is therefore to ensure that only authorized processes and individuals have access to the data. The fact that the types of cyber attacks are constantly changing and cybersecurity must always react to them as quickly as possible is becoming a constantly new challenge. The complexity of this task is no longer manageable for most of the enterprises. They need a partner who is equally mastered the special requirements of industry and cybersecurity. Why is cybersecurity in OT such an important topic for logistics? In recent years, the number of cyber attacks has multiplied. The loss of data, of the company's reputation, happened in a split second. And the threats are increasing every day. Not reacting to this as a company isn't an option, because the question isn't whether you'll be attacked, but rather when. But why did it come to this? The reason is that OT stands at the crossroads of multiple challenges. From the need to make data available at all times to a lack of knowledge of networking and cybersecurity to increasingly advanced attacks on systems. The IT-OT integration extends across all layers. Cybersecurity is a must-have here across all levels of networking. But what would be a holistic solution for cybersecurity? Such an approach consists of processes and guidelines, security measures, and last but not least, competencies. How does Siemens help to protect your entire logistics process? Siemens relies on the multi-layered defense-in-depth concept, which is further strengthened by zero trust principles. Through the three pillars of plant security, network security, and systems integrity, it ensures reliable and always up-to-date protection at all levels. And according to least privilege access, zero trust only allows application-specific access by clearly identified and authorized users. When implementing IT-OT integration, enterprises benefit from Siemens' automation and digitalization expertise, and are advised by a global network of experts on country-specific security norms and standards. All Siemens products are appropriately hardened X-Works and enhanced with their updates, enabling enterprises to securely connect their IT and OT networks so they can make the most of their data from the shop floor to the top floor. A reliable provider of cybersecurity solutions for our industry must always be up to date on which cyber attacks are possible and which attack surfaces are especially at the risk at the moment. This also includes knowing and understanding the specific network requirements of material handling systems and office areas, and to regularly exchange ideas with experts in order to jointly develop and continuously improve innovative protection concepts. How does Siemens guide you through your cybersecurity needs? Together with our partners, we have signed the Charter of Trust, which is committed to 3 important goals. First, protection of the data of individuals and companies. Second, protection of people, companies and infrastructures. And third, creation of a reliable basis in which a digital world can grow steadily. Siemens supports you in the implementation of your cybersecurity goals, step by step with our expertise, from consulting to implementation and optimization of your material handling processes. And when things get serious, then we respond with our incident response and security team to directly inform our customers with recommendations, updates and security patches as quickly as possible. Siemens is able to support your customized cybersecurity solution in logistics and intralogistics, from consulting to design to implementation, securing your entire logistics process. Siemens is your reliable partner to drive secure warehouse operation. Let's start your industrial security journey together.